This is Niall again from Best RV Center. We're talking today about the new product from Dutchman Kodiak. They did a beautiful, it's called the Dutchman Kodiak Cup. Now what do they mean by the Dutchman Kodiak Cup? It's a small, 18 to 20 foot travel trailers and has a big slide out. But the main things in all this one, they did it right, and Best RV with the support from Dutchman Kodiak, we got you a price no one could match. Even I don't care what brands you're looking at. For the same floor plan from the other brands, they cannot compete from the structures, from the features, and from the quality and the special price for you. First one, we're gonna talk about the brand new 2025 Dutchman Kodiak Cup 170BH. The main things were the competitors they cannot offer. True aluminum frame. This is vacuum bonded aluminum frame. It's not corrugated. It's not like this kind corrugated wood frame. So this is true aluminum frame. And then another thing, what I like about it, they give you a full, look, the cap. It's a fiberglass cap, front cap on the front with a nice, beautiful view window. A lot of manufacturers, they don't put the window, not because it's a problem. No, it is because cost. This costs them money. But Dutchman Kodiak, they give it to you for that price. They give you a solid fiberglass cap. They give you the aluminum frame. They give you the electric tongue jack. They give you the nice power LED lights with lights. They give you the TV brackets outside, aluminum rims. As we said, the aluminum cage. They give you on this model pack and play door. I could take this, raise it up. I put all the bikes, toys, boxes, whatever I want. I could take it with me. Also, I like the finish in the back. They have the spare tires, camera prep, ladder prep. Over here, they have nice 30 amp plugs. All the drains easy to get. Again and again, only Dutchman, they give it to you as part of their deal. Slide toppers over the slide, so I don't have to worry about my pines or anything coming on my slide. This features, I don't care what brand, Jayco, Cushman's, Cherokee, Arctic Wolf, you name it, all these brands, without mentioning their names, they don't offer you a slide topper except the Dutchman Cup. They give you a slide topper. That costs like almost 900 bucks. And then in the top of that, they give you what the solar panel. It come already, look here, it has 200-watt solar panels on the roof with inverter prep. So I'm not losing anything. Solar has it, PowerAwning has it, Power Slide has it, aluminum structure has it, fiberglass have it, slide topper have it, TV come with it, coming in. And then you're forgetting on the top of that, 3-year structures. That's another plus. Everybody give you 1 year tip to tip. Dutchman Kodiak, 1 year tip to tip, 3-year structure, 12 on the roof, coming in. This is again the 20BH, as you see inside, it's so roomy. True aluminum frame. I like the European cabinet, look like clean European with European hinges. A nice queen bed in the front, a big view. The competitor, they don't give you cabin over the bunk. This one come with cabin over the bunk. They come with the TV. Some competitors, we sell them even here on the same floor plan. They don't come even with TV. This one come with a TV and a smart TV with it. A nice dinette with the roller shades. As you see, every window come with a roller shade. The dinette with a storage in the top, big doors. What else you need? Ladies, nice kitchen doors. Very open, nice faucet, 2-burner range, a hood. You're complaining about pantries. Here it is, there's a big pantry. And then you have a big bunk, one over here. They have USB plugs. They have place for their TV if they want to put a TV for each bunk. They have also USB, more storage underneath. And then they have the 11 cubic foot refrigerators, the one run of 12 volt. They have even fantastic fan in the center of the unit. And then if you come to the showers, I have a plenty room to stand up in the showers. I have even my own fan, a nice medicine cabinet with the LED light in the back, and a nice toilet, very roomy, a place to hang towels. And all of this only at Best RV, brand new 2025 Dutchman Kodiak Cup 160BH with the pack and play with all these features only for $25.99. Show me this unit for $25.99 somewhere else. Is not exist. I don't care. Rockwood Geos, more. Cherokee Grey Wolf, more. Imagine, more. Jayco, Jayfeather is more. Aspen Trail is more. Where are you gonna find this deal? A true aluminum frame, a 20-foot trailer. It's actually less than 20 foot. Almost 20-foot trailers with a slide out, with a queen bed in the front, with a TV, with a solar inverters, a nice big window in the front, a big bunk in the back, as you see. Only for $25.99. Is not exist. Only just at Best RV in Turlock. Coming in and get this deal. Amazing. Oh, look here. You know, this is another feature. I never mentioned it. Look how the storage. The bed is divided. Half storage from outside, half storage from inside. Place for shoes. All of that you will find it in the nice, beautiful Kodiak Cup 160BH. Coming into Best RV and get the deal for $25.99. We lowered it from $44 all the way to $25.99. And again, I don't want to go in detail. No hidden fees. Free dealer prep. Only you paying $25.99 plus sales tax and license. And if you are from other states, no tax, no license. We ship to you. We love to make it happen. We always working with the manufacturer. We squeeze them. We get every single dollar from the manufacturer and we pass it to you as the customer so you could buy and purchase the best deal on the Kodiak Cup in the state of California. Coming in.